Hey everybody, Dr. Burks here. So now we're going to do our second trial of measuring the gas inside the lighter. So our first step is to get our tub of water, which you still have from the last trial, and we need to measure the temperature. So we've got the thermometer in here. So you'll need to measure the temperature of this thermometer, and this is the temperature of the water for our second trial here. So be sure to record the temperature from our thermometer here. All right, so we've got our temperature. That is the first step. Second step, we're supposed to submerge the graduated cylinder. We've still got the same graduated cylinder that's already in our tub of water here. So I'm just gonna make sure it doesn't have any air bubbles and make sure it's completely filled, which it is right now. So that step's pretty quick since we kind of already did that in the first trial. So now we're gonna do a green lighter here, and we're gonna put it in the water to get it a little wet, shake it around a little bit. Then we're gonna shake it off like Taylor Swift, and then dry it off with a paper towel here. And then we're gonna weigh it on our scale, just like we did last time. So make sure this is zeroed. Then I'm gonna put this on here, and you're gonna record this as the mass initially for our second trial. All right, so we've got the mass, and so that's step 4. Step 5, we're gonna hold our graduated cylinder upside down. And then in step 6, we're gonna put the gas into the cylinder, just like we did in the last trial. All right, so I'm gonna hold it upside down, and then we're gonna put the lighter under the top, and we're gonna push the lever down here, and it should start filling up with gas. So there it goes. And you'll notice this one's going a little faster than the first trial. It's because we kind of adjusted the lighters. All right, so so now we're stopped. We're about a little over 90 on this one, but you're gonna record the volume on our graduated cylinder here. And remember, the graduated cylinder is upside down, so you're gonna read it upside down. All right, so now we've got the volume of our gas there. And so now we're supposed to shake the lighter off. We're gonna pat it dry, and then we're gonna reweigh it, so that way we can get the mass of the gas that we used. All right, so we're gonna dry it off here, dry off my hand so I'm not getting water on the outside. And a little drop of water there that'll dry off, and re-zero the balance. And let's put it on here and see what the mass is for our final mass for our lighter here. So be sure to record that as the mass of the lighter for the final. And we also need the barometric pressure in the lab. So here is our barometer. So be sure to read the white needle on the inside circle. All right, so you should get 700 and something millimeters of mercury for the pressure. And that is going to be our barometric pressure for our second trial. So we have the volume, we have the mass initial, mass final, and the temperature and the barometric pressure. So that's all the data we need for this trial. So we'll stop this video here, and in the next video, we'll do the third trial.